Today we are going to learn how to do rotations about a point. And as we look at doing rotations about a point, it's a lot the same as doing rotations about the origin. So if you don't know how to do rotations about the origin, go back and review, but we'll just do one for you really quick here. For rotations about the origin, I'm going to start, and I'm using patty paper again. If you don't have access to patty paper, see the separate video on what you can use instead of patty paper. You're going to start by marking the origin, that's the center. You mark the 3 points, or however many points you have. 90 degrees clockwise would be one turn this way. Line up the T with the center. There's my new point. There's my new point. And there's my new point. Go ahead and connect them. If you need to label, this point would be K prime. This cute little prime mark just means that, hey, look, we've done something. This would be my V prime, and this would be my J prime. I'm going to zoom that in just a little bit so you can see it just a little bit better. All right, to rotate around a point that is not the origin. So this one, you want to rotate 90 degrees clockwise about 1, 3. So I start by putting a dot at 1, 3. Remember, 1, you go over, 3, you go up. That is my dot. So then, instead of putting the T at the origin, I'm just going to put the T here at the dot. Again, I mark my 3 points, 90 degrees clockwise, so then I turn it and I keep the T on that point. And yes, it is going to go off the graph, and yes, that is okay. Don't worry if it goes off your graph. Just mark where it needs to be, right here, and right there. And you can go ahead and keep the same labels. This would be J prime, K prime, and V prime. Okay, let me do one more. Number 5, rotate 180 degrees about -1, -1. So I start by marking -1, -1. That's my point of rotation. So then, when I put my patty paper on, I'm going to put a T at my point of rotation. I'm going to mark my points, B, X, and then I'm going to turn it 2 times, and I'm going to line up my T with that point. So X is now here, X prime, B is now here, B prime, and N is now here, N prime. Go ahead and connect them. You'll know it. You did it right when you have the exact same shape. You should always have the exact same shape when you finish. It's just been turned in some way or other. All right, good luck on your assignment. You got this. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions.